Forward leads to the town square station. We're almost at the town square. Lights on. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. That's perfect. That was amazing. Good job! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Choose a new toy! It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Right? Excellent! I love that! Left leads to the Boulder Cliffs. We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Left leads to the water slide. We're near. Great! Left leads to the water slide. For the Great Waterton Station's coming up. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was so close. Let's try again.